Meaning of groupware.
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 Groupware. Groupware refers to software applications that facilitate collaboration and communication among members of a group or team. Examples of groupware include email clients, instant messaging platforms, shared calendars, and online project management tools. The objective of groupware is to enable individuals to collaborate more effectively by providing them with a shared platform to communicate, coordinate, and work on projects. Groupware can be deployed in various settings, including businesses, schools, and government agencies. By using groupware, teams can improve their productivity, streamline communication, and achieve their goals more efficiently.